This is going to be a video product review of the Aoycocr Smart Plug. The Smart Plug has energy monitoring. You can control it with Alexa, with Google Assistant. It works on a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi system. It comes in a 4-pack. The plugs are able to accept 15 amps of power, so that should work on almost everything in a standard house. These smart plugs are great for senior citizens, for people with disabilities. Once they're programmed, these are wonderful to have in your house. And I'm going to show you how you set these up. The nice thing about using this brand is you have live energy monitoring. So you can see how much energy, how much power you are using right now, or you can get a monthly readout. You have control with a timer of the scheduling of the lights. You can control this with your cell phone with Alexa. You can control it with the Echo, the Dot from Amazon, Google Assistant, as I said. You can set all 4 of these up in a group so that with one command, you can turn all your lights or your appliances on at the same time. You can share this with family members so they have control of the lighting. So let's get together now and set this thing up. I will show you what you need to do. You need to install the Smart Life app on your cell phone. That is the most important thing. Install the Smart Life app. After it's installed, you're going to have to set up an account. Very simple to do. If you want to, you can link your Alexa to the Smart Life app, which I would recommend you do. That way you can control the appliance with Alexa, with your Dot, with your cell phone. So let's get going right now and set this thing up. We have a power button on the front. We also have a little LED that's going to be a blue LED. We have a grounded plug, again, that works on 15 amps. The Smart Plug comes with very detailed instructions on how to set everything up, how to install the app, how to get the Smart Plug into configuration mode, how to connect the app to the Smart Plug, and how to turn everything on, even how to set it up with Alexa. I have a standard table lamp plugged into the power outlet that turns on by the switch, and now I am going to show you how to set the Smart Plug up. Take your Smart Plug and plug it into the wall. You are going to have a blue light over here. If the blue light is blinking quickly, like it is, you need it to be flashing fast, then you can set it up with your Smart Life. If it is not flashing quickly, you need to hold the button down for 6 seconds. Okay, it turned off now. Hold it down for 6 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you want it to be in the flashing mode. You want it to be in the fast flashing mode. You can see that. And you have a limited amount of time after that flashing starts to set it up on your Smart Life app. And if you do not set it up in time, you just need to go back and make sure that it's flashing fast again so that you can configure it to work with Smart Life. So let's get that going. This is the Smart Life app. I'm blocking my phone number that shows up at the top. You're going to want to click on the plus at the very top of this. And we are going to go over and look at the options. Lighting, large, small, kitchen, sensors, others. We're going to want to look for something that says Smart Plug. We don't have a Smart Plug, but we do have a socket over here. So let's go to socket. And we're still flashing on there, so we're going to confirm indicator is flashing. You're going to have your password that you set up when you set up Smart Life app. So if I didn't do this in time, then I'll just have to do it over, make sure that the blue light is flashing again really fast. This should connect really quick, and then in the background you should hear my Alexa Amazon Dot saying that it has found this.
Plug X10S, and you can control it by saying, turn on Smart Plug X10S.
There it is. So it's called the Smart Plug X10S. You can click on the pen over here and edit this if you want to. I'm not going to do that. Down at the bottom, click on Done. And now let's see what shows up on the screen. There it is. So I'm going to take the lamp over here and I'm going to plug it into, we have the lamp plugged in. I want you to notice the lighting over here. I'm going to turn it off. I'm going to turn it on. So we can use the switch over here to turn it off, to turn it back on. So you can do that manually if you want to. We also have the control now on the Smart Life app. See the light? It's still on. We can press this. Light goes off. You heard the little clicking sound over here. I'm going to press that again. Light goes on. And we have options down at the bottom. We have the settings. We have electric, so we can see how much power this is using. We can go back and do the scheduling. You have a countdown timer. You have a regular timer for scheduling. We have the power over here. We can use that. And there's the pen over at the top, so you can change the name again if you want to. We have the name. You can check your device network. Shows the different party controls that you can set it up for. You can share your device. You can create a group, as I mentioned, and connect all of these together. You can check the firmware to see if it needs to be upgraded. And the final thing, the most important thing, is voice control to automate your house. Now, as I said, I have in the background my Alexa Dot, and you can also control it if you have Alexa on your cell phone, but you're going to have to press the button on Alexa so that it hears your voice. So let's see what happens. I have gone into the settings and renamed this Smart P. Alexa, turn off Smart P.
Okay.
Is that incredible? I love this. Alexa, turn on Smart P.
Okay.
Now I could turn this off with the phone. Alexa, turn on Smart P.
Okay.
So this is going to conclude my demonstration of this incredible smart plug. I am going to leave a link in the description of this video. Click on the link. You can order it directly from Amazon. The company name is Aoycocr. It is their smart plug with energy monitoring, Wi-Fi smart outlet compatible with Alexa, Echo, Google Home, Google Assistant, IFTTT, voice control, app control, timer. It is a 4-pack. The price is incredible. Make sure you click on the link and buy this.